Model, 2018 Ford Transit 350L3 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive 2.0 Tdci 130Ps twin-wheeler double cab factory-built caged tipper 68 miles. Very nice grin. Body, white, tipper, caged. Mileage, 68,963. MOT, 5 April 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Tdci 130Ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. This is a very well maintained, genuine 1/over tipper which has full main dealer services history. Grin. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, FSH. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.